guys, so I think we need a center finding tool. Okay, so I'm going to make a center finding tool. I'm going to make about probably three different ones, just a variation of sizes to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut this piece down to various sizes, maybe three different sizes. Put this rod here through there. So I'm going to drill 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3 holes there. And I'm going to do it that way. Okay. So guys, we put this here and held it down with both sides, and so we can just put this here and drill it down. So I've done that. I've done a couple of holes there already. Can you see that? So that's centralizing it. So what we're going to do is drill to 2 holes there first, and then mark this one with a smaller. Mark the hole and drill it with a smaller drill bit. So if I drill right through them, I need to hold them down because I don't want to get problems with that. So I'm going to mark roughly the middle pieces and just make a hole there so we know where the middle goes. So mark the centers. So mark the centers on there. So I'm going to just drill them.
After a long search, it was found by him. A van full of boxes unpacked by her. Wallpapering every room. Him.
So I'm going to do the rest off the camera. So we're drilling the middle bits now, and it's 4mm. We use 4mm to drill this.
She feels like she's in a nightmare.
Going to do the other 2.
Crystal Owen's son Harvey was found along with his friends at Jevonhurst. Also topping the list.
Weather.
Listen on your smart speaker. Just say, Alexa, play greatest hits radio.
So that's 3 done there.
Generally,
in the middle now. So what we're going to do is drill a hole that way so we can hold it down. So mark it approximately.
Time's marching on, yes, it is
somewhere around there.
They're all the greatest hits, and the 3 that have come from the album, they just remind me because you played it, and you played it, and this was the first one on the album, and I absolutely love it.
Okay, it's right through to there. So I'll do the others off camera now, guys. Gotta get that to the point, guys, but I'm not very good at tapering. Well, I'll get it down a little bit first, and I'm just going to use the file. So guys, these are all TIG welded, as you can see, right in there, and this I've got a nut on it now, and this should go in like that, in theory. And this is a little bit sticking out there like that, tiny bit there. So I'll show you. So this, okay, we'll do this. Do this again. There it is. Put it down there like that. There's a mark, very faint mark. There's a mark. You can see that mark? Straight there, central. So that's it guys, that's the central tool made, and I've got three sets made just in case we have a larger piece to go on. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.